Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin dropping recently, right? We actually have the price of Bitcoin dropping, and right now we are actually consolidating. Right, you can actually see the drop right there. We actually have a drop after actually increasing all the way to 65,000, 64,000. That was the price we actually set at, and we actually drop back down again to below about 58,000. So right now we are currently consolidating, currently at the price of 59,000. We are currently at the price of 59,000 plus right now. This is a very strong level we're actually watching out for if we're actually going to break more to the upside, right? So these are the level we're actually watching at right now, right? So guys, I'm going to talk about the price of Bitcoin, why the price of Bitcoin actually dropped recently. We actually seen it right here, right now. The price of Bitcoin actually dropped aggressively, right? Let's actually measure it from that top, right? We actually dropped, this was a few days ago, we actually dropped back here, right? Measuring it, right, we actually saw about over 10% drop. Right now we are actually consolidating at this zone, which actually showed you guys. We are currently right now consolidating at this zone. You can actually see how we're actually holding at that level right now. We actually announced this as a long position in my VIP WhatsApp group. So in my VIP WhatsApp group for futures trading, right, that is we actually drop all my trade. I'm currently in a long position right now, and I've also announced it there. My traders are also copying this, and we are right now on profit, right? Secured some of the position, update some stop loss, right? As price goes more higher, we're actually going to put stop loss at entering price. So guys, let's go. So we're actually going to we're actually entering the month of September. Let's go to the 1 day time frame. We're actually entering the month of September right now. In the next 2 to 3 days, we're actually going to go to the month of September. So guys, this is what you should actually watch out for September. September is actually going to be a bullish news, in my own opinion, and I'm going to actually show you why it's actually going to be a bullish news, and also for the reason why this drop that actually recently happened. This drop that actually happened is a background whale that actually sold Bitcoin right from this top, which you actually see here, right from this top. Right from this top, which you actually see here. So a whale actually sold at this level, right, and the price actually see a drop back down. Right now, as price is actually dropping, more people are start feeling what more people are start feeling. Anytime the price actually drop, you're actually going to see people start feeling that the market start controlling them, right? They start they start being optimistic whether the price is actually going to increase more or it's not actually going to increase more, right? So these are the people that price actually control. When price actually go down, they feel bullish, they think that it's actually going to go down, and when price actually go up, they feel bullish and they think it's actually going to go up, right? These are people with no strategy in the market, coming without no single strategy. So this is how we need to actually approach the market, right? So let's actually talk about it for the month of September, right? We actually entering the month of September, like actually said here, right? So you need to actually watch out for. So right now, what is currently coming up? Let me actually talk about the news first. What is currently coming up is the interest rate cut is actually coming in September, right? Maybe it's actually going to be maybe we're actually going to get interest rate cut, or we are not actually going to get interest rate cut. But I'm currently seeing this pricing in. It's going to, the price of Bitcoin is actually going to price this in before the interest rate cut news happen. Now, what does it actually mean, right? This simply means that we are actually going to see the price of Bitcoin actually increase before that interest cut rate news will actually happen, because there's a news that is actually going to come on September, right, towards September, right, about the interest rate cut, right? So we need to actually watch out for that. This is actually going to make the price of Bitcoin from now actually increase in value. So this drop you're actually seeing here is just to scare people out of the market, make them scared out of the market, thinking, okay, the price is actually going to drop down, but no, right? We actually witnessing reality actually play out, right? So we recently have a massive drop early this month of August, and right now we also bounce back, consolidating at this zone. Right, this area, if you actually watch my recent video, I actually made video about around this area when we were actually trading around this area, right? I told you that if we don't hold strong at this level and we actually lose it, we should actually pay attention for price to come all the way down to this level of 53,000, right? But if we hold strong, right, and we actually have reversal, right, this is what I actually told you guys. If we hold strong and we actually see a reversal breaking this level, right, breaking this level here, right, we're actually going to see a big push to the upside coming back to this level. This was actually explained in my video. If you have not gone watch it, go and watch it, so for you to actually see the proof. So guys, what is currently happening right now, right, this drop that actually happened is just to actually scare people out of the market, right? Because there is a rally that is actually going to come. This interest rate cut news is actually going to get pricing. Now I'm going to actually show you what is likely to happen. We are actually going to see the price of Bitcoin actually increase because of that interest rate cut moving into September, right? We're actually going to see it increase. I don't know how it's going to actually increase, whether it's going to follow this pattern, but I'm going to actually see it increase. And the level which I'm actually looking at is 70 to 72,000. 70 to what? 72,000. We get that level. The news comes out, right? We start with the news comes out. We're actually going to see a drawback down to around 63,000, 64,000. Now, I'm going to actually show you the reason why that will actually happen. After we actually get to this 70 to 72,000 range, right? Now, the reason why this is actually going to happen is that there will be a people that will actually there will be some investors that will actually sell at this level. Not even at this level. There are some investors that will actually sell immediately that interest rate news actually comes out, right, in September. Once the news comes out in September, we're actually going to see if there is an interest rate cut, right? We're actually going to see the price going back down to around 63,000 to 64,000, right? After hitting 70,000 to 72,000, which is over here, right? We're actually going to see that drop again coming back down, right? If the interest rate is being cut, because most people is going to actually see it as a steady news event, and they're actually going to sell as the interest rate cut news comes out that interest rate has been cut. We're actually going to see a massive drop back down. Not massive, but price dropping back down to around 63,000 to 64,000. And again, this is actually going to make people actually think that, okay, the market is actually going to drop back down to around this area. But no, this is just how the market actually structure itself, right? This is what I'm actually expecting, right? And after that drop back down, we consolidate, maybe ending of September going to October, we are actually going to see more rally to the upside again. So this is what I'm currently expecting, right? This is a fake out. This is what you actually see here. We trap a lot of people because people is actually going to think that, okay, we are actually going to dive in more to the downside, right? But this is actually going to stop people out because we are actually going to see a reversal. And when we actually see this reversal, what will happen to coins that we are actually holding? Those coins we actually holding, we actually see an increase in price. As Bitcoin we actually see this rally to the upside. We are actually going to see those coins actually gain value in price. So I have actually mentioned coins actually hold. If you're in my legend community, if you're in my free community, if you're in my free WhatsApp community, right, you have already get the call. But if you're not in my community, make sure to actually check the link down in the description of this video so that you can actually become among my community. It's actually free except for my futures trading signal. If you want to get access to my futures trading signal, you have to actually subscribe. Link down in the description of this video. Check out the website, check out the result. We have been doing very, very fine for the past few weeks here, despite how the market is, right? So we have been doing fine. So go to the description of this video and check it out, right? So this is what I'm currently expecting in the price of Bitcoin, right? We actually see a rally going to 70,000 to 72,000. Then the interest rate news comes out, right? We're actually going to see a drawback down to that side, right? After that, we're actually going to see some consolidation, and we're actually going to see price actually push more higher again, right? So this is what we actually need to actually understand about the market, right? So this is what I'm actually expecting in the market, right? Because of the news, right, making it to actually price in, we're actually going to see that rally, right? We're actually going to see that rally to the upside. Most people will not actually expect this, right? But this is likely to come because of the interest rate cut news. We're actually going to see this rally to the upside, getting that rally to the upside, and once that news come out, we're actually going to see pullback, which is here. We're actually going to see pullback, right, making people again feel bearish, thinking that the price is actually going to go down. Then we're actually going to consolidate for some days, which actually mentioned here. Drop, consolidate for some days, every October. We are actually going to see more rally likely again. So this is what I'm actually expecting in the month of September. So as we're actually getting this rally to the upside, right, I believe that majority of coins will actually explode from here. Ethereum will also explode from here. So guys, watch out for this as level, right? I'm currently on a long position right now, currently on a profit. I'm currently on a long position right now. The position was also mentioned in my community group. Let me actually take out this. Guys. These. So the trade was actually announced in my group, right? Let me actually go to the lower time frame and share this with you guys. So if you can actually look. So guys, let me actually wait. So if you can actually look, I took that long position over from here. I took that long position here, right? You can actually see I took that long position. And another thing here is that the reason why I actually take this long position is because this can be a pop around pattern. We are actually falling down here. You can actually see how this has been respected, right? Which simply means we actually come back to this zone concept. We are right now consolidating. If we break this zone, we're actually going to see massive run to this zone. Immediately we touch this zone, I'm going to actually update stop loss as my entering, right? Maybe we're actually going to see further consolidation, maybe push to the upside, I don't know. But immediately we get to this level, I'll be updating stop loss to my entering and protect my trade, guys. So guys, this is all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're actually new. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and as well, I'm going to see my next video. Comment your opinion about what you actually think about the interest rate cut, and if this video is actually nice, make sure you actually comment it down below. I'm going to see my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.